Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. Streaming live every market open so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on my journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it, y'all. New year, 2025. Let's go. Um, Man, I don't know what's going on with my green screen, man. I'm late because I was messing with it, moving it forward, moving it back, messing with the lights. I don't know. I'll spend some time on it today. I totally forgot that it was an issue, but um, yeah. So sorry about that. The video, the green screen, but anyway, we're here for the trades, right? So I got AVGO, I got U, and I got PLTR. Um, Man, I was having a good conversation with my good buddy Alex, and we were talking about AVGO, and I kind of liked it. I think it's flagging on the weekly and then the daily. It did make a lower high here, but I was just looking down here, man. I mean, the big gap up, lower volume pullback, and then the big volume back here on this low, and then, but yeah, it's looking pretty weak right now for sure. Hey, what's up, Signature? Three Pony, Santa. Happy New Year. Good to see you guys, man. Good luck. Yes, sir. Uh, Man. So I wrote some scripts to try to coach my mind because I feel like that's the last major thing that's keeping me from taking this next step. And like the FOMO I get in the first minute and I want to jump in like right away. This is honestly, this is not the time for me to take a trade. And I'm just trying, I got to stay centered. Like this is the part where I get real antsy, right? Price actions making big moves. You see the potential, right? Start feeling the FOMO, but this where it stops, man. Exactly, Q, right? Like if my thing is reading price action, I have to read more than two candles. I can't get in on the third minute, man. Just be patient, man. Something's gonna set up, or it's not, or maybe it won't set up today, and I'll just come back tomorrow. I'll just come back tomorrow. So just trying to be really patient, man. So many times I jump in right at the open, get stopped out, and then I see all of these great things set up, and I can't. I'm scared to take them because I'm already red, or I'm already maxed out, and I can't take it. Like this U pattern right here. I'll be all over this joint. But yeah, we just gotta chill, man. Wave Rider. Tesla, man. Tesla's backside, man. I think Tesla's done for. It needs some time. Tesla needs some milk, man. It's backside, bro. Everything's pushing lower. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, that's how Tesla's done. Tesla's cooked. Today, what happened here? 236.36, 236.30, lower high. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Bought Tesla. 383. Man, sales are rolling through there. Whew. Don't invest in religion. Added more at 382. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. That looks interesting, doesn't it? It's just such a crappy RR. Yeah, that's crap. We could do better than that. We could do better than that. Hey, RJ Uno, Happy New Year, bro. Adding more. It's getting scary. I'm scared. Okay, now, first sign of some hope for a moment here. Bruv, Santa, I'm getting worried, bro. I know you the man, but you need a line in the sand. VGO. What's up, you? Is this the time? Is it time? Tesla will bounce sometimes. Yeah, I mean, you know, a dead cat will bounce. Golly. The spy. Oh, yeah. Man, look at this volume. It's bananas. Like, you can't see nothing. Like, what is it? Okay, here we go. Yeah, Tesla looks scary than a mug, boy. Santa got them diamond titanium hands, boy. Oh, I'm so sad about my green screen. I wish I just understood what was happening. Why doesn't it like me anymore? Dang, there go Tesla to bounce. See, that's why I like waiting for the next candle to make a new high to get in, because I would have been waiting, and then boom, triggered in on the upside. Dip buys, boy. Got about 4 slices on the way down here. You'll be holding that money with band-aids on your fingers. Hey, that's a good average right now, though, man. Hey, you know what you're doing. We've been watching you, Santa. He said, "Are you short?" Hey, let's go, Santa. Scare money don't make money. Let's go. All right, now look at that. Waiting for AVGO. Look how much better of an entry possibility we have here. And we got some volume. Let's see what happens. Come on, give me that volume spike, man. Yeah, yeah. Don't come back down there. At this point, though, I think you gotta wait for another higher low. Yeah, definitely do now. Man, ain't none of these popping today. PLTR is getting slapped. AVGO is getting slapped. You might have won this one, Alex. Quality of quantity. Quality of quantity. Quick scalp on might be done for the day. That's good. The goats don't even trade every day. Yeah, you right, bro. TSLQ. I'm just watching. I'm just watching Santa trade it, man. I'm not trading Tesla today. Yeah, man. I type Santa in. Yo, Santa, bro. Well done, sir. Well done, man. Nah, that's absolutely that's what it's got to be, Q. That's what it's got to be. I mean, that was clear. Looking at my journal from last year, it's just like I just traded way too much crap, man. I could consider this a go. Uh, all right. Well, we're in U, just under 25, which is a pretty nice place to be, I'd say. Stop under low of day, of course. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, it's looking pretty good so far. Thus far. All right, folks, we are in the game now. We got PLTR. We got you. Oh, snap. Look at you. Look at you. Give me one of them. Was I too slow? Was I too slow? Yeah, buddy. Took some profit on you. It ain't much, but it's the process. It's the process. Man, this green screen really is making me upset. Let's go, man. Yo, Santa, man. Well done, sir. Well done. Let's go, man. This is the type of day we need to have, man. Kick the year off the right way. My man. So you was already a winning trade, even though I ain't got nothing realized for real. But I took profit, I took a share off, and my stops at break even. So I won, right? There's no risk on the trade. It's nothing but upside from here. Oh my god. And PLTR, we'll see. I don't like that candle right there on that volume, but I think we're in a good spot. We're definitely, extended, so at least a run back up to 74, you know, enough to get off some profit, hopefully, and move my stop to break even, you know. That's good enough for me. No trades, Q. Man, appreciate it, RJ. Hey, do that, Q. Do that, bro. Congrats on the great day, man. I'm telling you. Nice way to start the year, man. I like what I'm seeing over here on the five on these, man. I hope so, man. I wish I could have gotten more shares, but you know what? I'm not gonna say that. I don't wish I would have gotten more shares. I got what I got, and I'm happy with that. I got to stop being when I'm a lot. That's what makes me want to add to positions when I get in and I'm like, man, I wish I had more shares. Like, look, everything is automatic, right? I put where I want to put my stop, and my risk is calculated into my hotkey, and I get the shares that I get, you know, and that's how I play it. And then I sell them the best way I can sell them. That's all I can ask for, man. So, yeah, man, I gotta fix these little lapses in the mindset, man, where you just not thinking about things right. Hey, yo, we cooking over here on you, man. I can't even hold you, bro. uh, I gotta make sure I don't let my expectations get too far ahead of me, though, because, you know, I definitely can't be playing off of the PNL because I don't have many shares. So I gotta play the price. PLTR starting to throw some volume. Man, you over 26. What's good? Hey, man, hit that like button for me, y'all. Let's go. I'm just waiting for some volume on PLTR to throw out a sell order. Oh, man. I accidentally clicked the button. That's funny. Hovering over the hotkey and hit the sell button. Oh well. Stop to break even. Dang it. I would have much rather sold right here. It's all good. Well, shoot, y'all. We 2 for 2, man. Look at that, man. Stop. Break even. Way below the price action. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yo, what up, Danny? We doing good this morning, Danny. Aside from my green screen acting stupid, we doing good, man. Good entries, taking profits on the way up. I'm feeling silly for hitting this button right here, but whatever. Well, we got half of R realized. We'll take it. What's up with you, Danny? Look at PLTR, man. Yeah, buddy. Hey. Yo, I'm loving this, man. I'm loving this. 2 for 2 on him. All right, Q. Thanks for checking in, bro. Congrats on the good day. Yo, PLTR for the dub. Oh, nice. What's Tesla doing right now? Man, crazy bounce. Santa, you still in there? You right, signature. That's all I gotta do, signature. That's all I gotta do. How cute. Oh, that would be so crazy for that to happen. Nah, bro. That would be like the most reckless. Like, you know how that would happen? The cool thing is, you see how I got two desktops now, right? So this desktop shows me, oh my God. This desktop shows me my watch screen, but once I click to this desktop, I can't even see the side charts anymore. So I'm literally tunnel visioned into my trades. But bro, look at AVGO, man. Man, I've been noticing they've been making a lower low first and then just taking off, bro. That's what I was wanting to catch on AVGO, but they just didn't give. Sometimes they just don't give you an entry, man. Like you waiting for confirmation and all of that. Sometimes you just don't get that stuff and it just goes. And you got to be cool with it. But over here, I got confirmation. And so I got a nice entry and I'm already at break even and taking profits. So, it's just some of them are set up for you and some of them are set up for someone else. And I wanted AVGO, but it didn't set up for me, you know? But the thing that set up for me, hey, best believe I checked in. Let's get one of them off right there just to get one on GP. On GP. Look at this. Look at this beauty over here on you, man. Beauty. Man, so shorted Tesla. Wow. You playing the market, bro. I noticed, man, I was going over my journal. I started to do this on the last stream, but one of the big things that I discovered was that I looked to see how many of my losses were like deep in the money and turned to losses. And the line I checked was how many trades was I up 2R or more and closed red. And so my P&L for the year was negative 4,000, right? Like 4,300 or something. The losses that came from stocks that I was up 2R or more was over $2,000. Half of my losses last year were from trades that I was up 2R or more and closed red. Crazy. And so what was awesome about that is I've already fixed that problem, right? Because now I take profit on the way up. So that problem's gone this year, God willing. And the other problem was bad daily setups. The other problem was bad daily setup. What up, Trey? And trading things that weren't uptrending on the daily and did not have a good setup for the day that I was trading it. And so I just those two things I think are the if I can control those two things, they will have the biggest impact on my year. And I'm super excited. Look at AVGO, man. I told you, Alex. Dang, is that it on you for real? Oh snap! 1 for 3. Got some shares of CTCX. 90% win rate. I'm telling you, bro. If I trade like this, it changes everything. Like taking profit, like soon as you start, you make like by the second higher high, you got to take some profit and go to break even. Because if it turns around, then like it's cooked. We 100% today, Trey. I sure hope that joint bounces. It ain't got too much more to pull back before it's like just gonna collapse. But I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Stop sending money. Well, stops break even. Oh snap! That's what we like to see. Look at the 5 though. The 5 is saucy. Santa over there hurting Tesla. Put the hurting on Tesla, boy. Let's go, you. Let's go, you. Oh, snap. CTCX. To the upside or downside? Oh, nasty. See, that's why I'm over here in mid cap land. What kind of potential does you really have? Okay, you is looking great. This is awesome. It could, who knows what this day could bring for you? Who knows? We will just play the volume and take profit as needed. Yeah, that sucks, bro. The power of the fair value gap. I know zero about fair value gaps. Zero. Yo, look, the buy setup on the 5 on you. Like, beautiful. uh, I'm trying to see 27. You, what's up? What's good? Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Tighten my stop up a little bit on PLTR. We're not gonna risk it way down into this price action. I really wanted at 74, but I yeah, like 73.98 probably be a great spot, but I'll leave it here. $3 in the money. Mm-hmm. I just wish I knew what I changed. Is it my chair house? That's what it is. No, that's stupid. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. Man, where'd you get in at? On Tesla? 389.15. Man, bro. Well done. PLTR. But wait, there's more. Daily setup on PLTR. Uh Well, I was anticipating a higher low. It sold off quite a bit. But what did I like about PLTR? Man, I can't even find it now. Yeah, well, pre-market, I was looking at this hammer candle, and I was playing around this area, and I was looking for the break. But yeah, I definitely just made another low today, so it's looking interesting. All right, now I'm gonna hold for like big volume. I'm not selling any more shares unless I see like something crazy, cause I only got three left. You got out at 93. What was your average? 91. Yeah, 91 CTCX. Man, then it's bouncing. Get back in, bro. Santa is the market whisperer. Is that a higher high? I think so. Let's go ahead and yeah. If it breaks that low, we'll call it a day. Which isn't really saying much. Talking about 18 cents on 5 shares, a couple dollars. Huh. Man, PLTR is looking really cool. Like, what? How wild this be for this day to close green and like after making this low, like just a big old. What's this high? 77.97. That'd be a cool target, man. If we break over the high, bro. Man, I started to watch AVGO to try to catch one of these, but you know, I like entering down here, man. I think I'm done trying to catch this leg, these pullbacks to VWAP. Man, it gave it to you on the 5 too, man. You would have had to take it on the 5 and just use the candle as your stop. But man, yeah, if I had conviction all the way that this was gonna be a green day, like I think as I get a little better at picking good picks from my watch list, I think I might be able to take something like this in the future, but not yet. Not right now. Come on, you. High of day on you is 2608. Pre-market high 26.47. So got greedy. Nah, what you mean? Cause you was holding your shares? Nah, bro. Don't put no negative connotation to that, bro. That's what you gotta do. Did you take some profit? You took some profit, right? Man, AVGO. I can't watch this. I gotta go back to PLTR, yo. Bro, that's that's exactly what you need to do. That move that you did right there, bro. Even though you got negative reinforcement because it halted down, but that literally is the solution. Like you did it, bro. Like that's all you gotta do. That's what you need to do to catch the runners, man. You did it, man. That's it. Bro, you got in at 91, sold half at 114 and was holding. Bro, you did it, man. Hey, I'm happy to hear that, John. I'm tripping. PLTR up here. You down here. There we go. You're going to have to give me a little schooling on the fair value gap, John, in the Discord sometime today or something. Yeah, Trey, you won, bro. Happy New Year, man. You freaking did it. Hey, man, everybody give it up for my boy Trey, man. Give it up for my boy Trey. Huge milestone accomplished today, man. Great job, bro. Great job. A little twerk it out. Come on, you. PLTR. Testing 76. You can do it. Ooh, we popped right through there. All right, I got you, John. Hmm. All right, Santa. Look like it want to go long now, though. It's definitely uptrending. See what it does right here. Yeah, definitely. Definitely take profit. Maybe I should have took a share up there, huh? It's been a while. Yeah, I definitely should have taken a share up there. That 5 minute red candle. Ah, I tripped. I tripped. I was trying to just wait for like some actual significant volume to tell me to sell. Maybe it'll play out my way. We'll see. It looked like it's probably at least going to downtrend for the next 5 minutes, though. Dang, we're up to pre-market low. That thing sold off hard at the open. Yeah, I think I got to get one more off through if we get up to this high again. Well, let's just wait for the volume. That's what we said we was gonna do. Let's just do it. Think I'm gonna start walking my stop up on you as we make new highs. Yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna just have to hold PLTR probably a little while longer. Probably come back down to VWAP and then maybe bounce again. Even though that's a lower high, but this is a long leg up. So I think we're cool. Yeah, I don't know, man. It looked like a bounce spot right there, Santa. Higher high, higher lows. But you got it. You got this far without me. Da 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 da. Dee, 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 dee. So what's up, man? We can't get through 26. Is that what you're telling me right now? 2608. Okay. 1 for 3 red day. Lost an orange slippage. Ugh. Small caps, dog. You say it ain't so. We were so close to raising our stop to right here. One for three ain't bad. It broke down. Dang, Santa. And it made a lower low. Yo. Yo, if it break 320, 382.40, man. What's the SPY doing right now? Same thing PLTR is doing. Man, there it is. It broke it. $8 in the money. That's why I like large caps right there, man. Ah, guess you is done. Let's just go break even, man. Why not? Give it a chance to be a little wild. Man, this is where it feels like right to add right here. I'm not adding right now, but this is a moment where it feels right to add. Especially like if it fails here, I'm gonna stop out anyway. Like, and I've already taken some profit, but I'm good. Ah, $1,000 day. Hey, Santa, bro, straight fire today, man. Congratulations, man. That's how you kick off the year, man. Dang, that's nice, bro. Dreaming of $1,000 days, man. Dreaming. Both of these look interesting. I could have added to both of these on both of these dips, but I like having my green arrows at the bottom of the chart, and I like having my red arrows at the top. you know. So we'll just leave it like it is. Man, Santa killing it, RJ. The boss trade test. Yeah, Tesla's wild, man. I think this is a good place to put our stop now. Yeah. Go ahead and be happy with that. If it comes back, you know, we came, we saw, we conquered. Do, 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 do. All right, man. Dang, bro. This is really nice work on this PLTR chart. I wish I'd have got some more shares off here. But, I mean, I was already holding my last. Well, nah. Yeah, one more share off of here would have been proper. But I will work to become a better profit taker. Yeah, the 5 minute on PLTR, man. Gorge. Gorge. It ain't bad on you either. Yeah, you definitely had the right feel for it, Sansa. You definitely had the right feel. You were in tune with Tesla. I was getting real scared for you that first long, bro. Got in at 330, 383, and it's at 375, and you just like added. I'm like, dang. Okay. All right. Add it. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of worried too. I'm gonna stop out at under 74.22 though. Oh, I think the 5 minutes gorgeous, but you said, oh yeah, I don't know. I don't know what you're seeing, but I like it. I definitely like for my stop to be here, so I'm comfortable with that. If that breaks, I'm good. I'm good with getting out there. Yeah. Right. That's the end of the entry window. Dang, man. I didn't have to read my loss script today. I wrote a loss script to try to, reset my mind after a loss. So I, don't just go and make another mistake or dive into a bad trade. But yeah, man, I had to read none of that. $10.15 has no candle next to it. This is 5 minute. Huh. Oh, okay. No candle next to it. Cause that joker just falling, huh? I see. I get that. I guess I get that. That makes sense. 12 in the money, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, this mug looks cooked. Stop is definitely in the right spot though. Get another high. I'll move it up under that candle. What up, Jack? Happy New Year, bro. Starting out pretty good this year, man. Nice day one action. Okay. Ah, interesting. Yeah, see, when I look at the five, all I see is a nice long leg to the upside on good volume, and then a short leg to the downside, back to VWAP, little wick on the bottom there, nice volume on the wick candle, and now it's kind of consolidating a little bit. I think we're in a really nice spot for a next leg, possibly. But yeah, I like this kind of setup. But we did make a lower high, so that part is definitely sketch, and we can definitely pull on back down. So we'll see what happens. Looks like this is the end of the road for us on you there. All right. Well, we got half a R on you. Just didn't have much leverage on that position. Oh man, it's about to turn around. Whatever. I ain't worried about that. Bro. Ah man, what's going on? Not having a good day, Jack? Well, I guess that's the end. I was hoping we were gonna have another leg of excitement. Ooh. That 5 is interesting on Nvidia there. Looks pretty cool. Yeah. Da, da, da. Oh man, just came and tapped my stop on the shoulder. Excuse me, sir. uh, Come on, man. Don't you want to go make another leg up? Don't you want to do it? Come on, Bugs. Help him out, man. Help him out, Bugs. AVGO getting mad interesting over here to me. Especially this 15. If this 15-minute candle closes green right here, it look like that's the entry, man. But trading window has closed. We just gonna see what we can do with PLTR, and looks like we might have maybe a 2-hour day or so if I get stopped out. More if we go up from here. All right. Out of PLTR. Man, I just wish I got an execution off up here for sure. This was a pretty wild move to I had a mind to move my stop up and kind of tighten it up once we made that second leg up. Uh but I just wanted to give it room to come back and you know, maybe go on another run. Uh if this, I'm telling you right now, if this 15-minute candle on AVGO closes red, I mean closes green, somebody need to buy it. I want that somebody to be me. I really want to get AVGO right here, man. Man, over 236. Man, appreciate it, John. I'm pretty happy about it. You know, 2-hour day. Nothing super fantabulous, but good execution, I would say. You know. Um this one I was feeling a little shifty about, but I think the reason I get nervous about this kind of play is because I've taken it so many times on a downtrending stock and it doesn't work. But it's just way different when you take it on something that is set up for an uptrend. You know what I mean? Like a really good daily setup, these dips hit different. And I think if I get better at my picks, my watch list picks, I'll start to see that a little more, and I'll be able to have more confidence when it dips like that to maybe start getting some better entries. But baby steps. I really like the confirmation of waiting for higher highs and higher lows before I make an entry. I think that's gonna definitely help with accuracy. Being able to be patient. I felt really patient today. At the open, I was chilling, man. I just felt it like relaxed. Like I didn't care about those first three candles. I wanted to wait. Cause when I wait, man, the entry you get, it's just so much more. You got this volume profile that now you can compare the volume levels to. You got levels that you can draw, when you wait for some candles to print instead of trying to jump in at the open. And like, man, look at this great price I got on PLTR. Really nice risk to reward and just taking it out on the way up, man. What kept me from really selling right here was just I was almost out of shares. I only had 3 shares left. But I mean, that was great. Like I should have used my last 3 shares selling on these highs, right? Because that was it. That was the move. So uh yeah, I wanted to sell more. I wanted to hold for the YOLO too. But I think I should have moved my stop up if I wasn't gonna sell shares. Like if you're not gonna sell shares, at least capture it with your stop. So some things to think about going forward in regards to taking profit. Uh, I think maybe I need to care less about this back leg, you know, and just kind of try to take as much advantage of that first move up as possible and try to be out of most of my position before that retracement to VWAP. Because who knows what happens after that. I want this move. I want that first move. And I've gotten caught up so many times trying to trade the backside of the big move. And I don't want to hold for it either. I think I'd rather just get all my shares out and call it a day at this point. So I think with that perspective, that'll help me also manage how many shares and when I'm getting out on these things. But I still gotta have some YOLO shares. I only had 3 left, so it'd have been nice to be down to 2, I guess. Maybe get one more off here or up in here somewhere. But man, I really can't ask for a better day. At least my entries were really on point. Yeah, I did pretty good on you too, man. I could have sold more shares though, but I think I stopped out with 5 shares of my 7. So could have done a little better there. But yeah, man. As far as the process, it's a great day, man. Great day. Awesome. All right. So this year I am I'm ready to put like every part of myself towards this goal. Like I'm willing to do the work that I was overlooking. You know what I mean? Like the journaling, the extensive journaling, the extensive reviewing, you know. And so I'm committing to making sure I get a review video every day. So I'm about to get off and record a review video and take some screenshots for my journal. And man, we're just gonna try to build on each trading session. Each trading session, we're gonna review and grow from each one, man. And we got to get better every day, man. Just what they say, 1% a day. just get better each day. Um, it's my take profit is pretty decent. I can refine that tool, but it's got a nice edge on it already. So that part is good as far as not letting winning trades go without taking profit. Like I think that's pretty much fixed. Man, Santa's still raking it in. Yeah, that's the second part, Trey, is picking those good setups pre-market, man. That's everything. Like that's literally your first trade. The first trade is you moving the ticker onto your watch chart. Like that's the first trade. And if you pick a bad daily, then your first trade is crap. Like, you've set yourself up for failure. And I've done that to myself so many times. Today went really well. Um, PLTR, it was a nice daily setup. I mean, it looked like, it had some potential, but it definitely crashed low. And, I was expecting a move up this way over 78 and it crashed out. So, I mean, kind of you could be like, well, you should have disqualified the trade, but I mean, it's still in a uptrend technically. So, I think it's okay to play dips on uptrends, right? But that wasn't my intention. I wouldn't pick to play this type of day on PLTR, but yo, three pony. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's how I'm kind of how I'm feeling now too, Trey. Like, I still played the price action appropriately. And the more disciplined you are and the more you can wait for your setup, the other things become a little less consequential. Like, if you're watching a crappy stock, but you don't take a trade unless you see an A plus setup, then you're cool. It doesn't really matter. My problem is, well, I mean, it matters in the sense of, the bias of the chart, like the if it's bullish or bearish. But yeah, just having strong pre-market, bro. I'm telling you, this AVGO candle, bro. AVGO is ready, man. I really want to take AVGO so bad. So bad. This the VWAP submarine right here, man. Bruh. Everything's going up too. This is the perfect time to buy. The spies reversing. This is a great time to buy. But I'm out of my trading window. uh, no trades off stream. I'm locking in this year, y'all. It's not a game. We about to get to the bag. I'm telling you. Inshallah, it's going down. This is a new year, new me. New year, new me. What a trade though. Like this was very clear to me. Eventually, I won't have to have these type of cages where I can't trade because it's after 10:30, you know. But these are things I have in place right now until I, graduate and get out the training wheels because things can get out of hand for me sometimes. Um, Now I'm about to get off and get off the stream and start my review video. And oh yeah, at facts, facts. No, I have this scheduled out. I have the next hour of my day scheduled for my review video and journaling. So let me get on that, man. I'm not trading it. I'm not gonna trade it. I'm good. I'm good, y'all. I'm not trading it. We got a perfect day, 2 for 2, 2R for the win. I'm good to go. It's so pretty though. Yeah, that's pretty too though. I like that. Man, I just wish I sold a couple. Anyway, man, let me get out of here. Get to work. Um yeah, man, hit that like button for me, y'all. Look out for that review video. And we'll be back tomorrow, man, to do it again. Appreciate y'all. Stay safe out here. Peace.